It was a most amazing experience because we were involved in the captain's run and in the team talk, and we were in the Australian papers and we were interviewed, and it was a whirlwind, like. And then she scored, and that was kind of, I really don't remember much after that. That was kind of the icing on the cake, you know, and the celebrations afterwards in the dressing room were just amazing. It was unbelievable, and it was just the most amazing weekend of my life. It is very different this time, and I suppose maybe it's the lack of involvement for Ailish this time round. You know, she hasn't had the greatest of seasons between the concussion, which kept her out for a while. I mean, anyone that knows Emer and Ailish, when they go down and they don't get up, you worry, because sometimes they don't even realise they're hurt, you know. So when Ailish went down and there was no movement, oh my God, and it was 4 o'clock in the morning, and who do you ring at 4 o'clock in the morning, you know? And I was there watching, I said, oh my God, who am I going to ring? Because she's not getting up. But then eventually she did get up, and but I knew she was totally out of it, you know. It was a pretty tough concussion, but it was hard to watch it. Those few minutes were like hours, you know. We always know when things are going well and not going well, because if things are going well, we don't hear from Ailish. She's one of these daughters that's not great for communicating and doesn't ring very often. I probably hear from Emer. Some days I'd hear from her twice in the day. But Ailish, when you hear from her 2 days in a row, things aren't good. You know, but it is great that you can actually see her, especially after the concussion that time, and again after the dog bite, which was pretty severe. It was great to see that she was okay, and I think as a mother, when you can look into their eyes, you know whether they're okay or not. You know, I actually never saw it coming with Ailish. Emer is kind of different. Ailish was born with skill. She just has it. When she first went to football many years ago, Rose Lorgan and Marie Egan, who would have been her coaches at under-8s, would have said, you can't teach what she has. She just had it naturally. And the very same with a hurley. She could do anything with a hurley. But she didn't believe in stressing herself too much, doing too much running or anything like that. She preferred to sit on the edge of the square and let Emer do all the running and throw the ball into her, and then she'd bury it, you know. But that has changed utterly, because Ailish, her fitness has, I mean, she's just a phenomenal athlete now. It's very hard not being able to be there, because there are very few things in their sporting careers that I've missed. We'd probably be on a plane if we could. That's the holy all of it. We just travel wherever they are and wherever they're playing, but I'm afraid COVID has stopped us this time. To me, the priority will always be her safety. I mean, medals, we have boxes of them. They mean nothing. It's their safety and their health and their happiness that's the most important thing, you know. Medals are medals, but yeah, no, it's the most important thing is she comes through it. If she plays, she comes through it. And sure, maybe, keep the fingers crossed, she might get a goal. And they'll win.